With the assembled from high-strength structural.
Control, we are clear of the trailer. Approaching the assembly zone.
Roger that. Keep it steady. Watch the east connection point.
Keep it steady. We need another 5 millimeters on the east jack. Alignment is good here. Mark it green.
Tensioning jack, reading 1200 MPa, approaching target.
Hold position on the anchor plate. We're almost there.
Okay, keep that line taut. We're moving into position now.
Roger, she's settling in nicely.
Start the torque sequence on the lower bolts.
Base station reads 170.005 meters, confirming alignment.
Roger that. Lateral alignment checks out. Millimeter tolerance achieved.
Approaching alignment point, slow it down.
Roger, slowing to 10%.
Looking good on the west side.
Torque sequence complete on segment 1. All bolts verified.
Confirmed. Proceed to next section.
Jack pressure holding steady at 500 tons. Kilonewton stabilizing.
Confirmed. Crane tension is now fully released. Proceed to stage 2.
Hold the line on the east side.
She's drifting left. Bring it back slowly.
Lasers aligned. We are good to connect.
Keep going slowly. Watching the laser.
Looks good. Apply the tag. Okay, UT confirms section B7. You can mark it.
Copy that. Marking B7 approved.
Bring it down slowly, watch the east side.
Roger, slow descent.
Clear on the west flange.
Bridge monitoring to team. Strain gauges holding steady on arch segment 4. We are clear for continued assembly.
Affirmative, station.
Easy, easy. Bring it down another
Cable 5, slow the descent. We're showing a 2-degree variance on the south side. Adjust actuators now. Segment coming in, hold steady on the west guide. Copy that, watching the laser alignment now, looking good.
Lower the module. We need it flush against the arch. Engaging the bolts now.
Control, this is segment 4. Load stabilization confirmed at 1,500 tons.
Roger that. Segment 4. Maintaining current pressure.
Laser alignment showing green across the board.
Copy that. Actuators engaging now.
We are ready for final placement.
Displacement holding steady at 15 millimeters.
Confirmed. Force reading stable across all points. Lock the hydraulics.
Wind speeds are spiking near the apex. Gusts approaching threshold.
Confirmed. All systems green. We are within operational limits.
Load charts confirmed. We have green light on the sequence.
Copy that, platform. Wind speed steady.
All right, team, initiate the lift sequence. Base, this is segment closure. We are green for alignment.
Confirmed. Tension looks good on my side. Proceed.
With flawless synchronization, the dual cable cranes raise the massive steel structure.
Adjusting plus 0.5 millimeters starboard side.
Confirmed. Reading 0 gap at center line. Tolerance achieved.
Sequence complete. All tension values confirmed with
Control, we have reached the 25% reduction target on cable 12.
Roger that, team 1. Data confirms successful transfer. Proceed.
All right, take the tension. Watch the clearance on the south side. Clear on this side. Keep coming down slow.
All readings stable. We have structural integrity confirmed.
Received. Good work down there. Monitor for drift.
Okay, tension on the main line, clear the east side.
Copy that. East side clear. Hoist slow.
Check the profile on joint 12. Looks good, within tolerance.
With the final checks complete, the comprehensive inspection ensures the bridge is ready for service.
Look at the oscillation frequency here.
It's aligning perfectly with the target curve. The shakers are performing well.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Hold it right there, we're clear. Laser's good, set the bolts.
All parameters are within tolerance. The sensor data confirms stability.
The bolted connections look solid?
Excellent. Sign off on section 44.
Channel 12 strain gauge reading stable at 5 microstrains.
Confirmed. Logging the input now.
Everything seems to be in order.
Copy that. Control.
Easy now, lower it slowly. Guide left, secure the bearing. Start the tension sequence, check the preload.
We are stabilizing at 1,500 kilonewtons.
Check the adjacent hangar. We need symmetry within 5%.
Confirmed. Values match the load chart.
Verification successful. The geometry matches the design specs.
Confirmed. Tolerance maps are green across the board.
As you can see on the diagram, the sequencing is optimized.
Agreed. The risk assessments are complete. We have approval to begin the deck phase.
Channel 42 confirmed. Baseline readings are stable.
Roger, moving to the next interface.
Circuit test sequence 3 initiated.
Power stable. Confirmation on coverage zones.
Confirmed.
With the massive arch complete, the focus shifts to final site cleanup and environmental restoration, stabilizing the slopes for the future.
The structural health systems confirm stability. We are ready for acceptance.
Signed and stamped. The bridge is officially commissioned.
Control interface installation finalized. Redundancy confirmed. All systems operational.
So when accessing this anchor point, ensure your harness is double clipped.
Exactly. Refer to page 42 in your manual.
Line clear, deploying now.
Time start now. Secured at 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Drill complete.
The thermal imaging confirms the weld integrity here.
Yes, the as-built deviation is negligible. We can sign off on segment 4.
All checkpoints finalized. We have green status across the board. The bridge is secure and ready for public access.
Today, we celebrate a monumental achievement in engineering and cooperation. All readings confirmed stable. The convoy is approaching the midpoint with no issues.
Vibration signatures are stable, all green across the board.
Confirmed.
Traffic flow steady at 60 kilometers per hour.
The key feature here is the integration of the hangars into the arch rib.
The strain gauges are...
These life cycle charts indicate the optimal window for the coating renewal.
Yes, prioritizing the high-stress zones highlighted here.
The thermal gradient is spiking in this risk zone.
We need to check the weld integrity on the digital twin overlay immediately.
This diagram clearly shows the critical path savings we achieved.
Yes, but we need to the challenge with the bolt tensioning sequence here.
Congratulations. The in-service data confirms stable performance across all metrics. Vibration and load effects are minimal.
Ensure the connection points are logged. Overheating detected on sensor 8.
Copy that. Running diagnostics now.
Load stabilizing at 20 kilonewtons.
Reading confirmed. Virtual stamp applied.
All right, applying the physical tag now.
Assembled from high-strength structural steel, this mega-span bridge exemplifies engineered permanence, carrying the rhythm of daily life. The long-term strain trends remain consistent with the digital twin projection.
Confirmed. Structural integrity is assured.
The sensor data confirms the fatigue life extension.
Agreed. The high-stress zones are stable.
Dial set to 4500K.
Accelerometer offset adjusted.
Verified. Signal is stable. Go ahead and tag it.
The structural integrity at this apex is remarkable.
Yes, the sensor array confirms minimal deflection even under peak load.
Strain accumulation remains stable at the bolted joints.
And the corrosion progression is minimal, even with the updated climate data.
Readings on hangar connection 7 are stable.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. Condition is green.
The lifespan data suggests we prioritize the western span.
Yes, but the exposure maps indicate higher UV.
The gauge readings match the design specs.
Confirmed. We have sufficient reserve capacity here.
Logging the approval now. Arch Bridge, enduring as a century-scale infrastructure asset.
The sensor data confirms the load distribution we predicted in the model.
But what about the wind shear on the top chord?
That's handled by the bracing elements up there.
The metadata is validated, ready for signature.
Signing off on the structural integrity report.
Bridge officially registered in the global database.
This is a proud moment for all of us.
Indeed, a true marvel of modern engineering.
Look at how the light catches the apex of the arch. A marvel of engineering.
It is a testament to what we can achieve.
For generations, this steel arch has stood resolute, a testament to endurance.
The upload is stabilizing at 75% for long-term storage.
Ensure the technical annotations are finalized before the system locks the dataset.
The world's largest steel arch bridge, an engineering legacy complete.